I'm Riduvarshini, student of class 10 from Kendriya Island Grounds. In this video, I'm going to say about the performance of India in Tokyo Olympics 2021. But before that, here are 14 facts about Olympics that will blow your mind. Even if you're not interested in sports, there is something magical about Olympics. Athletes work hard for years to give their all and deliver best performance of their lifetime. We have happy tears with winners, sympathize with losers, yell at TV, and have high-fives with strangers. We adjust to different time zones, feel a bit more patriotic, and become masterminds in recognizing the flags and national anthems of different countries all over the world. The first Olympic event was conducted on 6 April 1896 in Athens, Greece. Pierre de Coubertin was the visionary and founder of Olympics. He is also known as the father of Olympics. The oldest sport in Olympic is running or stadium. The first male champion in Olympic is American James Connolly. The first female champion in Olympic is Helena de Portales. There are 28 sports in Olympics. There are 206 countries in International Olympic Committee, IOC. The 5 rings of Olympic represents Africa, Asia, Europe, America, and Oceania. The rings are black, blue, yellow, green, and red in color. There is no age limit to take part in Olympics. Women were first allowed to take part in Olympics from 1900. There are 3 types of Olympics: Summer Games, Winter Games, and Paralympics. Olympics is conducted every 4 years. The official motto of Olympics is Altius, higher, fortius, stronger, citius, faster. Now let's move on to India's performance in Tokyo Olympics 2021. India has given its best ever performance in Olympics with 7 medals in Tokyo. Out of 7, 1 gold medal, 2 silver medal, and 4 bronze medal. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal for javelin throw. Ravi Kumar Daya won silver medal for wrestling 57 kg. Mirabai Chanu won silver medal for weightlifting 49 kg women. P.V. Sindhu won bronze medal for women's singles badminton. Indian hockey team won bronze medal for hockey. Bajrang Punia won bronze medal for wrestling 65 kg. Lovelina Borgohain won bronze medal women's welter weight boxing. I would like to conclude my speech by saying a quote. Taking small steps can show a huge difference. Thank you.